Hello! Do you find it annoying following a washing timetable as it hampers your working? Then I have the perfect companion for you that will make your life easy. Meet LG's all-in-one washer-dryer that helps you wash and dry clothes any time of the day and also save your space. Its artificial intelligence direct drive technology with more fabric protection and convenience automatically optimizes wash patterns based on the weight and fabric type in each load and gives your clothes a perfect wash, unlike ordinary washing machines that only detect fabric weight. Based on the huge data of more than 20,000 wash patterns, AIDD offers the most optimized washing pattern for every load to take good care of your laundry. What's more, its 6-motion direct drive technology moves the wash drum in multiple directions and gives proper care to the fabrics while getting clothes ultra clean. Wow, now that's perfect washing. With LG's TurboWash 360-degree, you can wash your favorite dress and be ready for the party in just 59 minutes. With more fabric protection, the 4 directions of 3D multi-nozzles reach every inch of your laundry, thus providing an optimum solution in minimum time. Not only that, LG's Steam Plus technology removes 99.9% of allergens that can cause allergy or respiratory issues, and that too with 30% less wrinkles. It means more hygiene and less wrinkles on your clothes. And while your washing machine is doing all the hard work, you can sit back and relax. How? LG ThinQ with Wi-Fi makes it possible for you. Smart remote control enables you to do your laundry anytime, anywhere. Also, with its download cycle, download up to 20 additional wash programs. Now that's what I call smart. You know the best thing about this machine? This all-in-one washer-dryer not only washes your clothes, but dries them completely. This wash-to-dry machine saves you space. Isn't that wonderful? This all-in-one washer-dryer comes in bigger capacities that helps you wash and dry huge loads of laundry in one go. Bring home LG's front-load washer and dryer to make your laundry a hassle-free and convenient experience. You can thank me later.